Probably you are among those who think that all these Nigerian politicians, that somebody will just emerge and kill all of them so that we can have peace. Who told you? Even those of you that are planning to kill them, you are also a corrupt agent. You are thinking like that because you do not have the opportunity they had. If you are also given opportunity, one brother, for the first time in his life, he flew through first class. Only no go better for poverty. First time, he no go better for poverty. That's a pastor. He put himself on Facebook. And he said, the first time I'm flying on first class, he no go better for. Now, you bring people like that into power and we don't understand what we're talking about. God has not arrested the president. That is why he's playing politics, religious politics. Do you understand me? If God arrests Nigerian president or any president of Africa or any president of the world, he cannot hide it. No, God cannot come into you and you are doing nonsense and forget it.